Lauren Chandler, everybody. Favourite sets of tunes to play. It's a bit of a medley of tunes. We've got Hog Beneath the Pipe, and then a tune called Farewell to Wally Range, and then there's a tune written by a Welshman called Jamie Smith, and he wrote it while he was down at Llewellyn Perrin Festival in Cornwall, a great festival, and it's called The Hustler.